last month was down. What are we gonna do about it?
Getting to connect with each other, reflect on all our projects.
We're not always working hard, we're sometimes going out with a team and trying to pretend we are a family.
What was the idea behind Team Days?
In order us to be happy, we need to enjoy our work. And one of the ideas how we can enjoy is to spend some time together, name as a team days, change environment, go somewhere, learn, make fun, exercise, whatever.
So like every normal company, beginning of the year we do our strategic planning for the team, and part of OKRs, 12 team days a year. Hello, where are you?
1 minute.
1 minute Arabic time or 1 minute 1 minute?
Yay!
And today we are in Chocolate Factory.
The chocolate tasting was really fun because I got to know the different tastes that we have, and just watching us pretend we know what we're talking about, that was really fun.
Why do you think it's important to sometimes disconnect from work?
Team days provide a break in between all the chaos, because sometimes we're so busy that I don't even see these guys. With these team days, you know, we are dedicating our time to each other, and it feels very intimate and special, and reminding me that like, hey, these are my people and they're actually here for me and I am here for them.
Live. Let's see.
Hey, what's up? Hope everything is good. I'll get back to you on that at a later stage. There's just too much other stuff on my mind now.
See, this is what I need sometimes.
Even sometimes it gets stressful, sometimes it's busy, but sometimes you need to appreciate time when you are not busy so you can reflect with the team and whatsoever.
Why make your pet? Why? What? It's a pet. You have a... I have.
Good.